Mahilig ka ba sa champorado pero walang time magluto? Or lagi kang on the go? Good news! Meron ng instant champorado na sarap Pinoy pa rin. This is the Galing Ko Sarap Pinoy Instant Champorado Chocolate Rice Porridge Mix. Inside the box, meron siyang 10 individual packs. Perfect for quick breakfast, merienda, or kung biglang nag-crave ka ng something warm and chocolatey. Made with premium ingredients, kaya kahit instant, lasang-lasa pa rin yung traditional champorado na kinalakihan natin. Super convenient lalo na kung nagmamadali ka o nasa school, trabaho, or travel. Paano pa i-prepare ito? Super easy. I-pour lang natin ang laman ng sachet sa cup at lagyan ng 120 ml of hot water. Pwede ring more water kung mas gusto mo yung consistency na malaphaw. Stir well, then cover and wait for 2 minutes. And ayan, ready na agad. Serve while hot. Ganito naman ang consistency kung mas maraming tubig kang nilagay. Pwede mo ring lagyan ng evaporated milk, condensed milk, or powdered milk para talagang authentic Pinoy champorado. So kung mahilig ka sa champorado pero wala kang time magluto, try nyo na itong Galing Ko Sarap Pinoy Instant Champorado. Instant na pero hindi tinipid ang sarap. I'll put the link in the video so check it out. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.